We're ready for Pegasus World Cup number 9. In the gate. They're off in the Pegasus World Cup. Locked was a step slow to get going. Last to break. Excellent start for Saudi Crown from down toward the inside, and Florent Giroux will send Saudi Crown right to the top. Stronghold comes away in second with an inside lane. It's Mixto into third. Brian Hernandez Jr. and the Kentucky Derby winner Mystic Dan up close to the action. He's now third in the green cap. It's a length and a half to the gray-white ABARRIO racing outside of Newgrange. Then it's the team of Locked and Skippy Longstocking. They've gone 4 ahead of Power Squeeze. Well back early are Croupy and Steel Sunshine. They complete the opening quarter in 23-2. It's not flying, it's not crawling either. Saudi Crown has the lead by a length and a half. Mystic Dan races on the outside of a second running Stronghold. Moving out the rail in fourth is Mixto. Then it's a well-settled white ABARRIO. He's the gray. He's in the clear, and he's only about 2 lengths off the pace setter. Newgrange is next. He's racing about 5 lengths behind with Skippy Longstocking to his inside. Then it's a 2-length margin to Locked. He spots the leader about 6.5 lengths, working 4 in front of Steel Sunshine. Then Power Squeeze, and Croupy is last. They went the opening half mile in 46-3, and they swing around the far turn. Saudi Crown yet to face a threat. He's a length and a half in front with 3 furlongs to go. White ABARRIO makes his move into second now. Moving up toward the inside, that Stronghold from between horses Mystic Dan, but he's dropping back. Trying to get underway is Locked. The favorite has a lot to do. He's warming to the task, 7 lengths off the lead, but the Grays are 1-2, and here comes Florida Derby champ White ABARRIO looming up on the outside, and he powers right by Saudi Crown. White ABARRIO is opening up with 1/8 of a mile to go. Back to second is Saudi Crown, Skippy Longstocking, and Locked are next. But this is a tour de force, a Pegasus World Cup to add to his Florida Derby and Breeders' Cup resume. White ABARRIO, sharp in victory. Up for second is Locked. Back to third with Skippy Longstocking. It's closer fourth. Mixto might have got up. They covered the mile in 1/8 in 1:48 and 5/100ths. Your champ is White ABARRIO.